In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play the song Holy by Justin Bieber featuring Chance the Rapper, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, this is Matt from You Can Uke, and every week I'm releasing new song tutorials so you can learn how to play the ukulele. So don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a lesson, and consider joining me on Patreon where I have a chord chart available for this tutorial. Alright, let's check out this song together. Now before we can play the song Holy, we first make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. And if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are F major, C major, D minor, and B flat major. Let's check out those chords together. So the first chord is F major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the second string of the first fret, then take your second finger and press down on the fourth string of the second fret. This is F major. The next chord is C major. To play that, just take your third finger and press down on the first string of the third fret. This is C major. The next chord is D minor. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the second string of the first fret, take your second finger, press down on the fourth string of the second fret, then take your third finger and press down on the third string of the second fret. This is D minor. And the last chord is B flat major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the second string of the first fret, take your second finger, press down on the first string of the first fret, take your third finger, press down on the third string of the second fret, then take your fourth finger and press down on the fourth string of the third fret. This is B flat major. Now we're going to learn how to play the string pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, tap, down, pause, tap. Let's play that string pattern now on the F major chord. 1, 2, F major, down strum, ready, go. Down, tap, down, pause, tap. 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 Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this song, and we're going to break it up into 2 sections. The first section is going to be for the intro, the verses, the choruses, and the bridge, and the second section is going to be for the pre-choruses. So the first section, which again is for the intro, the verses, the choruses, and the bridge, it's going to be F major for 3 beats, C major for 5 beats, D minor for 3 beats, and B flat major for 5 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by reading out each chord. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, F major, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now let's apply the string pattern with that chord progression. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down strum, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the second section, which again is just for the pre-chorus, we're going to be chucking on no chord for 8 beats, and then playing the C major chord for 8 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by reading out each chord. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, no chord, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, C major, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now let's apply the string pattern with that chord progression. 1, 2, down strum, no chord, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we know the chords, the chord progressions, and the string pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Holy. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I hear a lot about sinners. Don't think that I'll be a saint, but I might go down to the river, 'Cause the way that the sky opens up when we touch, yeah, it's making me say that the way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, feel so holy, 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 holy. Oh God, running to the altar like a track star. Can't wait another second, 'cause the way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, feels so holy. Now, if you want to play through the rest of this song, then check out my ukulele cover for Holy. And that's You Play Holy by Justin Bieber featuring Chance the Rapper. Thank you so much for checking out this tutorial that brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to give a special thanks to my friends at Flight Music for sponsoring this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so you can check out more of their products. And finally, I want to invite you to join the You Can You community on the Vibely app. This is a place where you can engage with other ukulele players, join cool challenges, and win free prizes. So download it today. It's completely free. It's available to all Android and Apple devices. Again, don't forget to subscribe, to join me on Patreon, and to check out these next tutorials so you can keep practicing and keep playing. Because you can uke.